In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ZonASINHunter 3. First of all, go to the members page. You can see the address here. Enter your email and password, then click the login button. Once you get into the membership home, navigate to download page, then scroll down until you see your email and license key. You will need to use this email and license key to activate the software, so save it to a safe place or just go back to this page and copy them. Scroll down again until you see download link. Click to download. Click to open the downloaded file, then click on the installer to install the software. Click run to confirm. Check I agree. Then click install button, then wait until it is done. Click run to open the software. Enter your email and license key and click OK button to activate the software. The software will run and check for updates for the first time. Click update, then wait until update is done. So now, you can fully use ZonASINHunter 3. Thank you for your attention and see you again.